today we're going to be taking a look at APD's outdoor weatherproof IP66 13 amp rated socket. Now these things are super handy piece of kit for anything you do outdoors, whether it be for your jet washer or your hot tub or outdoor lighting, anything like that. This is a really handy thing to have. So we're going to be taking a close look at this today and let you know my thoughts. So here we are, straight out of the box. This is the outdoor weatherproof double socket. Now, before we go over this, I just want to let you know what this comes with. So we have a screwdriver which is interchangeable, so you can change it from a flathead or a posin that locks in really solid, which is really handy when it comes to wiring in the wires in the back terminals, and also when you come to fix it to your wall or wherever you're going to be fixing it to. It also comes with these two handy grommets, or cable glands, whatever you want to call them, where your wire will go in and seal really nicely around that, as you can see. We have a padlock which is used to prevent against electricity theft. That will fit just in there like so. So that's good. And also we have the fittings from the back which give you a good seal when you've screwed it through to the wall, and these are the screws that fix the top compartment to the base or the case. And we have these little caps to cover up all your holes. And that's your fixings, so you can fix it to your wall or wherever you fix it. So that's all the bits and bobs that come with it. Let's put them out of the way and let's have a look straight at the box. Well, first impressions, when you hold it, it does feel like a very solid, well-made piece of kit. So let's just open up and have a look at the seal on here, because that's the most important thing. Now these are IP66 rated, which means it's not going to leak and it's going to be a great protective barrier from your outside rain, you know, and your wind and snow and things like that. So here it is opened up. Now we have the two LED indicators, so they light up whenever these switches are on, and they feel really good quality. Nice hefty clunk. And as you can see here, we have the seals all the way around. So with this part here will come down, attach and click shut. And this is where your wires go in, whether you're doing your jet washing, or you want to use it for your hot tub, or you want to use it for anything you're going to be doing outside. A lot of people use these for Christmas lights or outdoor lighting. They use them on their decking. So altogether it's a really handy piece of kit. So let's have a look on the back side. As you can see here, we have the LED lights, and here are your terminals. So we have the two earth terminals. We have a live and the negative, and again, this is why this screwdriver comes in very handy. As you can see, good quality screws there. They don't stick. They work very smooth. As you can see here as well, where your wire is going to come in, there's enough room for, you know, thinner or thicker wires here. And this part and this come together and squash that wire, keep it nice and watertight. So this is the inside case. This is where you would create your fixings to go into your wall, so you can secure it wherever you want to secure it. And of course we have the raw plugs there and the screws for that. And also the little rubber seals which will go in here to keep that sealed. Now these just pop out so you can fit your cable glands in. Goes in there like so, and again these have a seal on, a rubber seal, to stop any water penetration. Just like that, and you turn that and that squashes up against your wire, keeps everything nice and sealed. So there you have it, guys. Yeah, absolute good piece of kit, good quality, and perfect for the job. So there you go, guys, that was the APD Outdoor Weatherproof Double Socket. A really good, well-built, solid piece of kit which I'd highly recommend for any outdoor electrical use.